How to remove phone number from TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can remove a phone number on TikTok. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to remove your phone number from TikTok, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. Of course, you can just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application like this. Come to your profile page. Tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then go to Settings and Privacy. From the top, tap on Accounts, followed by Account Information. Right there at the top, you can see your phone number. To remove this phone number, we can just tap on it. It will give us two options to either change the phone number or unlink the phone number. Since we are trying to remove it, we will tap on the Unlink Phone button. Now right over here, we can tap on the remove button to confirm the changes. This way you can remove the phone number from TikTok. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.